Hi, I'm Subhashri. I'm 17 and welcome to the Teenage Pages. And in the 17 years of my life, I have learned many lessons that I wish someone has told me when I was 12 or 13 years old. So I will be sharing few of them with you as well because it will make your life much easier. Like when that things will actually hit you, तुम्हें शायद you will already be prepared for it कि हाँ भाई ऐसा होता है. ठीक है, मुझे पता है बिकॉज़ मुझे नहीं पता था कि ये सब होता है. सो जब ये सब कुछ हुआ मेरे साथ आई वाज़ सो लाइक इतना गंदा वाला ब्रेकडाउन हुआ था मुझे. सो या आई विल बी शेयरिंग फ्यू ऑफ देम विद यू एज़ वेल. Number 1 is not everyone you lose is a loss. In these 17 years of my life, I have lost many people. I thought they would stay in my life forever, but they just ended up being few chapters of my life. धीरे धीरे मुझे ये बात रियलाइज़ हुआ कि God sent some people in your life only for you to learn a lesson. Not everyone in your life will stay forever. You need to know this. It hurts. It hurts thinking that, okay, she's my friend, he's my friend. What do you mean? He or she will ditch me one day and will not stay in my life forever? It happens. It like 100% गारंटी नहीं है कि ऐसा होगा, बट ऐसा होता है. You will see it happening. एक या दो बार तो ऐसा होगा. You will trust someone blindly and they will ditch you. Because you are a teenager now, okay? You will get attached to people very easily because at this phase of our life, we want love, we want care, we want attention. Okay, so whenever we see that okay, someone is giving us attention, someone is truly loving us, we think okay, that person has a good intention with me. No way. Not everyone who acts good has good intentions with you. Okay, there is a word called fake. Some people is just fake. Okay, so please don't get attached to people very easily. You need to have a barrier, you need to have a LOC, a line of control, that नहीं इससे आगे तुम नहीं बढ़ सकते हो. You don't have the right to hurt me. It's my life. I will choose who will stay and who will not. You need to have this. Doesn't matter तुम कितने भी क्लोज हो इंसान के साथ, बिकॉज इन दिस फेज वी डोंट नो किसका क्या इंटेंशन है हमारे साथ. You will never know because it's so obvious. If a person acts so lovingly, how will we know that वो इंसान फेक है, एविल है, बुरा है ना. सो ऐसे ही किसी को ट्रस्ट मत करना एंड स्टॉप थिंकिंग दैट इट्स योर लॉस टू लूज समवन. if they shared if they shared your secrets with someone else that you shared with them when you guys were in good terms, that they are the loser, you are not the loser. You need to know this. Okay, you learned a lesson, you didn't lose, you gained a lesson. Okay, next is some opportunities won't work out, but that doesn't automatically make you a failure. In these teenage years you will get a lot of opportunities, okay, and you will try it, but not everything will succeed. But that doesn't automatically make you a failure. A little bit personal thing. I'm currently in 12th. मैंने recently TEDx audition दिया था मेरे स्कूल में. There was TEDx auditions going on. I gave TEDx auditions. Okay. मैं उसमें तीन राउंड होते हैं. फर्स्ट राउंड दिया, आई गॉट सेलेक्टेड. सेकेंड राउंड दिया, आई गॉट सेलेक्टेड. थर्ड एंड द फाइनल राउंड, teachers had so many expectations from me. My parents had expectations from me. Even I had expectations from me. But third round, I did not get selected. Like I was so close to that event. मतलब बस वो एक ऑडिशन अच्छा जाता and I would have been a TEDx speaker. नहीं हुआ. I felt like a failure. But वही बात है ना कि at least you tried. Some people don't have the audacity to try it. ठीक है. एंड ऑल्सो अनदर थिंग दैट वापस मेरे स्कूल में स्टूडेंट काउंसिल का वो सब कुछ हो रहा था और लाइक इंटरव्यू वगैरह. आई गिव माई नेम फॉर स्टूडेंट काउंसिल एंड गेस व्हाट, मेरा वो भी नहीं हुआ. ठीक है, उसमें एक्चुअली क्या हुआ, जो इंटरव्यू डेट था आई मिस दैट. लाइक आई डेंट न्यू कि उस दिन इंटरव्यू होगा एंड मैं उस दिन स्कूल नहीं गई थी आई गेस, और मैंने अनाउंसमेंट नहीं सुना था एंड आई मिस्ड द इंटरव्यू. तो मैं ट्राई ही नहीं कर पाई. वो अलग लेवल का रिग्रेट था. ठीक है, आई गॉट एन अपॉर्चुनिटी टू बी अ टेडेक्स स्पीकर, टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ स्टूडेंट काउंसिल. मुझसे नहीं हो पाया. आई फेल्ड. मुझे लगा आई फेल्ड बट आई डिडंट. After looking at my class, I felt like, oh wait, ये सब जो बैठे हुए मेरे आसपास, they didn't even try to do it. I tried to do it. That's what that makes me unique. This is something I'm really, really proud of, and you should be too. You got an opportunity, and at least you tried it. Just because it didn't you didn't succeed in it, or it just didn't work out, doesn't make you a failure. Okay, you tried, and that's something that makes you a champion. One more thing, that the world appreciate those people who have the audacity and the courage. You have a lot of talent, but if you're not showcasing it, if you're not letting the world see it, how will the world appreciate it? You are talented, but the world doesn't appreciate the person who has talent. The world appreciate those people who has the audacity and the courage to show their talent, to show their potential. Okay, obviously your grades matter. I'm not going to sit here and say that your grades doesn't matter. It does matter, it matters a lot. But one bad academic year, एक सब्जेक्ट में एक गंदा मार्क्स, एक बैड परसेंटेज, that doesn't automatically show how intelligent you are or how much potential you have. You are a student, yes, that's why the grade matter, but you are also a person with dreams, friendships, relationships, you know, expectations. You are also a person. Okay, there is a difference between what I'm saying. Your grades does matter, but your grades don't automatically show कि तुम्हारे अंदर कितना capability है, तुम्हारे अंदर कितना potential है. It will never show. You still have so much time. Okay, you don't have to figure out everything at once. Like we are just 16 or 17-year-old kids. How can we be so sure कि मुझे यही करना है ज़िंदगी में, when we have a lot of things to do in life? In this world we have a lot of things to do. Okay, हम बच्चे कैसे डिसाइड कर ले कि मुझे यही करना है ज़िंदगी में? सो प्लीज़ स्टॉप फोर्सिंग योर सेल्फ टू चूज़ वन थिंग. लाइक इतना जल्दबाजी मत करो, ये ज़िंदगी है तुम्हारी. यू कांट बी वेरी यू कांट बी वेरी नॉर्मल विद इट, यू कांट बी वेरी कैजुअल विद इट. आराम आराम से करो. लुक एट योर सेल्फ कि तुम्हारे अंदर क्या है जो कि तुम्हें क्या करने के लिए पुश कर सकता है, तुम क्या कर सकते हो. यू हैव सो मच टाइम. धीरे धीरे करो, सब हो जाएगा. आई एम 17 एंड आई स्टिल डोंट नो मुझे क्या करना है ज़िंदगी में. आई एम इन 12th grade बाय द वे, एंड पीपल अराउंड मी आर सेइंग कि तुम्हें क्या करना है ज़िंदगी में. आई डोंट केयर. मेरे ज़िंदगी का एक पर्पज़ है कि हाँ, मुझे कुछ ऐसा करना है दैट मेक्स मी रिकग्नाइज इन द वर्ल्ड. लाइक लोग मुझे जाने, मुझे ये करना है, पर मुझे नहीं पता वो कैसे होगा. धीरे धीरे कर रही हूँ मैं फिगर आउट. You have so much time, trust me. Yes, stop comparing your behind the scenes with someone's highlight reel. Like you see someone on Insta or on Facebook and you start comparing yourself that, oh my god, they have such a huge friend group, they are so happy, they are all the time going here and there, and what am I doing? I'm studying, I'm sitting at my home. Stop comparing yourself. You are actually comparing everything that you are struggling with privately with something that they are choosing to show you. Social media is fake, you need to know this. They are choosing to show you this part of your life, of their life, sorry. Yeah, they're choosing to show you this part of their life. You still don't know what their actual life looks like behind that picture. You are just seeing someone's highlight reel and you are comparing their highlight reel with your behind the scenes. You don't know their behind the scenes. Stop comparing yourself. You're good at your own way. पांचों उंगलियां सेम नहीं होती है. जस्ट बिकॉज वो ये कर रहे हैं डजंट मीन कि तुम्हें भी वो चीज़ करना है. नेक्स्ट इज, age doesn't automatically make someone mature, or age doesn't automatically make someone right. A person who is older than you think has so much experience can still be wrong. I have learned this after like मुझे बहुत सालों बाद ये चीज़ realize हुआ कि हमेशा बड़े सही नहीं होते हैं. A lot of people might get offended that they have so much experience, they are older than you. बुरे इंसान भी बड़े होते हैं. even the evil people, the bad people also grow old. Respecting someone is important. Doesn't matter वो तुमसे बड़े हो, छोटे हो, तुम्हारे एज के हो. Respecting someone's opinion is very important. But you don't have to blindly accept their opinion just because they are elder than you. It's your life. तुम्हें अपना लाइफ अपने आप डिसाइड करना है. This is something every teenager needs to know. The society will say you that बड़ों की बात मानो. Yes, मानो. Respect their opinion. But don't blindly follow it. It's your life. I'm saying this again and again. It's your life. This is a very harsh truth of life that not every elder is right. Not everyone who has experience can still be good for you. And the next might sound a bit offending or controversial, but your looks matter. It matters a lot. Okay? And now when I say that your looks matter, it doesn't mean that I'm saying you to do a plastic surgery and I'm saying you to be perfect. No way. I'm not saying that. But the way you present yourself, it communicates something in the other person's mind that okay, ये इंसान ऐसा है वैसा है. After looking at you, this is how the looks matter. ठीक है. अगर if you are dressing appropriately, you are carrying yourself with confidence, you are very neat, you are taking care of your hygiene, ये वाले इंसान के दिमाग में एक तुम्हारा पिक्चर बनेगा that okay, ये इंसान हो सकता है ऐसा after looking at you. ठीक है. It communicates something. Your looks communicate something. So dress appropriately for where you are going. Carry yourself with confidence. This is very important. Be confident with whatever you are doing, even if you are wrong. Trust me. ठीक है. A person who is doing right, but that person doesn't have much confidence. हो सकता है लोग उस नोटिस ना करें. But if you are doing something wrong, you know that okay, something is wrong, but you're still doing it confidently. The other person will think okay, that कुछ तो सही है इस इंसान में. ठीक है. Carry yourself with confidence. Take care of your hygiene because you are a teenager. You are going through a lot of changes now, I know. And next is more offending and more controversial, but don't listen to your parents if you don't want to do it. ठीक है. मैंने मेरे बहुत सारे फ्रेंड्स को देखा है कि वो छोड़ देते हैं अपना सपना शौक सब कुछ कुर्बान कर देते हैं just because their parents don't want them to do that. And when they end up failing in it, they just say that अरे यार खुद का सपना ही खुद का जो मैं करना चाहता था या चाहती थी काश मैंने वो कर लिया होता. Why to bring that situation in a life? माना तुम्हारे पेरेंट्स ने तुम्हें बड़ा किया है, तुम्हारा बेसिक नेसेसिटीज़ फुलफिल किया है, बट दैट डजंट ऑटोमेटिकली मीन दैट दे कैन कंट्रोल यू. दे कैन कंट्रोल योर लाइफ. इट्स योर लाइफ. यू नीड टू लिव इट. माना वो तुम्हारे पेरेंट्स है, बट यू नीड टू लिव योर ओन लाइफ. यू नीड टू स्टैंड अप फॉर योर सेल्फ. देखो जैसे जैसे तुम बड़े होंगे ना, यू विल रियलाइज़ दैट तुम्हें अपनी ज़िंदगी खुद के हिसाब से जीनी है. when you will be in like the worst part of your life, कहीं ना कहीं तुम्हारे पेरेंट्स भी उम्मीद छोड़ देंगे तुमसे. तुम्हारे पेरेंट्स भी तुम्हारे साथ खड़े नहीं रहेंगे. ठीक है. सो इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि तुम खुद का ज़िंदगी खुद के हिसाब से जियो. बिकॉज इफ़ यू लिसन टू समवन एल्स ऑब्वियसली यू वोंट बी हैप्पी. यू लिसन टू योर पेरेंट्स, राइट. तुमने अपने पेरेंट्स का बात सुन के तुमने वो चीज़ किया. यू नेवर वॉन्टेड टू डू इट. तुम कैसे खुश रहोगे इस चीज़ में.